whether it's coming to the long side or the short.
That is hilarious. Like you mentioned, it took out the high and low, previous day high and low.
Yeah, I mean, the overnight move was delicious. Little choppy in London, but I mean, fuck you. Look at go back into Asia when that thing, in fact, I do kind of remember, yeah. So yeah, I mean, I'm looking at the 5-minute chart right now. And it's like, oh shit.
I don't like. Yes, the 5-minute chart looks so much better for entry. The 1 minute for that entry into that SIBI, it kind of was shit, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so any hither. Not the best bet up for us, right? Yeah. I mean, you try it. Okay, why don't you try? Look at this thing and tell me what.
Well, okay, give me a second. I'm actually going. Oh yeah, no, we already went there.
For
now. We already went there. We already went there. So don't need to. Well, keep that. That's a weekly. Let's see that we already priced into. Done. You know, all I can do is mark off weekly high and low. Previous week high. That's way down there. Okay, weekly done. Daily done. Nothing. I mean, we've already priced into that, but that is a daily SIBI. There's that. I don't see anything
Christ,
else.
take your time.
Should be.
No, I'm sorry. I wasn't talking to you. Sorry.
Oh, my bad. There is a 4-hour SIBI. There's a 4-hour SIBI, so that's about the only thing so far. 4-hour SIBI. Anything else on the 4-hour? Nothing. Hourly, where that 4-hour SIBI is.
Oh shit, we've opened. Okay.
That's the only thing. That's the only thing I got, man. Is the 4-hour SIBI.
Okay. Tuesday open range gap low. We have it now. We have a pretty large fucking gap here. So now I've got reason to pull up and I've got reason to go down. Yeah. I mean, that's a 300 point ish, right? 275, 285.
Is this Monday?
Oh, that's a big one.
Monday close.
And it's drawing lower at the moment. Let's just up my gap back. Let's see. So yeah, bro, I got some shit here. I'm gonna be drawing my fib in on this gap. We're gonna watch. We got a 50%. Oh God, sorry. Let's see, dude. Crazy one. Okay, all last week we never had a situation like this. I've got a large gap up above, and I've got a large gap unfilled. And anyway, it didn't even stop at any quadrant or anything down below. So new week open gap down below, Tuesday open range gap all above us. Fucking hell. Yeah, and then like you said, obviously looking at our POIs, really all you have right now, unless this thing pushes way low, is that 4-hour SIBI.
Yeah. Oh my man, I'm gonna turn up the heat in this damn office.
Looks like it's in the morning.
Well,
You know, I've had these moments and they were way clear before, and now I get to recognize the difference.
well, here's nothing has changed in my world. Nothing is clear. Nothing is not clear. We don't. You are going off
Just take
of.
it easy. Don't get too.
No. You are going off of an idea of where the market could go to, and I've never have done that, and I've never wanted to do that because the idea of knowing or having some sort of idea of where the market might be going is ridiculous.
Well, I'm just in my world of trying to do this
Sure.
without you agreeing with it. You can see that how I would be confused in a situation like this.
Absolutely. And so where I step in and be like, well, it doesn't really matter. You wait for it to go somewhere first, and then
in this case, we'll have to. I will have to. I don't have a clear play here.
Sure.
I have in 30 seconds, I have the first presented for VAGAP, which is a city, is going to form.
I mean, there's your idea.
I do have a reason to go lower. Absolutely. We need to dig more into that new week open gap, right?
Yeah.
So I have that premise, but I'm sitting here looking at an open range gap, huge, right above me. And so, I mean, exercise major caution here.
Yeah.
But that could be, and I'm stating it before it happens.
Yeah.
The entry to the downside could be 581 and a quarter.
Yep. I get why you say that.
I'm just not, 100% convinced of that yet. I mean, it'd be one of those things, okay, right now that you just try. And you say, well, maybe a new week open gap has got more weight to it than just a daily open range gap.
Mm-hmm.
But that's it. That's all you got as we sit right now.
Yeah.
All right, back into the new week open gap.
There we go. It's funny. I can already see previously. Oh no, actually, never mind. I was gonna say London low. I thought that low that we're approaching, it was London low.
No.
It's not London low. But I was gonna say it's interesting that back then we would have been happy because this looks like it's going to take London low, and then the play was going to happen. But that's a mute point.
Well, yeah. I realized too, these moves are huge.
These moves are ginormous.
I mean, from the open already, we're over 100 points low.
Yeah. Oh, you're right.
So just careful.
Yeah.
You got to keep that in mind. We've got some big ass moves going on. Obviously, this is going to be hurting the investment side of things. I have already started, okay, a long, like I said, an MES. I just started one. I said, fuck it. I'm going.
Sure.
Been spending some time with ChatGPT trying to come up with different plays. Got me into a diagonal in TLT. So we'll start that process with some data.
Diagonal.
I'm definitely getting hit this morning.
Yeah.
Yes. But that's okay. Morning, Luke. Hey, would you take them out there for me? And their food's ready too, brother. How are you this morning? Tired? Make sure they don't pee, man. Hurry. Come on, guys. Instant. Come on. I don't want y'all peeing. I know. I mean, I don't know that. I'm just saying, like, as soon as she could have peed within 30 seconds. Come on, girl. No. Come on, sugars. Here, right. Thanks, buddy. That carpet up there has gotten so bad. And it looks like little Dixie P Mart, they're like that size. All right, so no entries whatsoever. So this looks a lot like something searching for something.
Yeah, it's about to close the new. Oh no, it's still got a bit.
No, yeah.
That's about what, 420, somewhere in there.
So you're not looking at it right. New week open gap low closed at 24,186 and 3/4. And then it reopened at 24,542. That's the gap.
I see what you're saying. Yeah, because it went down and it closed. Yeah.
You're looking at it like a volume imbalance or a SIBI.
Yeah, you're right. You are right.
Yeah.
Previous week.
So we're not even to the first quadrant.
Yeah.
Previous
week.
So it is taking out that little low. Obviously, that's a sweep of a low. Okay.
Yeah. That sucks.
Almost took in the Monday open range gap low. Remember, we've got a Monday open range gap. I was close to taking that low out. But it didn't take anything other than it just ran that intermediate low. Did you see Winston? Was he wrapped up in a blanket? Dude, he literally wraps himself up like a tortilla. You just what? So you stuck it up? Okay. We can try again later, man. You gonna start school here in about half an hour? Okay. Yes, sir. Cool. Alright. Yeah, so obviously I wouldn't think of this as the turnaround.
No.
I would think of this as maybe getting into entries here for lower, but again, this isn't really great for me to try to push for lower prices here. God dang, you realize, like, if it were to go up and hit that first percent for again, that's 80, 90 points up from here.
Jesus, dude.
Yeah.
That's the new week open gap.
Add a group. I'm going to keep adding groups here. The top ag, gun, trade. It's kind of dumb the name of that. Wow.
Oh, he's speaking today, huh?
10:30. Ooh, down $2,800 again today. This investment's getting fucking hammered. God, 800 of it's in oil. I've been rolling my shorts into it.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm up 30. I did an MES too this morning. I'm 30% on that already.
How much did you say you're down on MES?
I didn't, but
oh, shit.
Oh, $650 now. It's a long call. Oh man, that was kind of an entry to the downside, wasn't it?
Yeah.
All right, that's the first quadrant. It literally is perfect hit on it. So that's the first quadrant. I don't know if you see that. Did you mark out your new week open gap quadrants?
No, not the quadrants.
Okay.
Let me go here.
I'd see perfect hit like that.
I see what 453.50.
Boom! Monday open range gap low. We now have closed the Monday open range gap. Crazy. Damn, dude. Kinda would have, man, I would have really been intrigued if the first was in it for value gap entry. But dude, she's pushing hard. It's just all these little targets, right? I feel like I should already be in the short.
Yeah.
And I could be taking profits. Now, I would love an entry if it's going down to the low and going to fill this gap. Because that's a fucking huge trade. But dude, right?
It's crazy that it's already 100 points from that entry, essentially. What is it? It's like 90 points.
You killed it right there.
Yeah, 90 points. Like in 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes.
Low resistance, liquidity run. Those are the moves you want to be in on. I don't have the balls to try to short.
Neither does Tanja.
Oh, is she saying that too?
Yeah.
Like wanting it, but you know, here we are bouncing up the Monday open range gap low. Like, fuck, man. I mean, I don't know. Oh, gosh. Yeah, look at that. It's got push. Yep. All right, so 24,365 will be the midpoint of the new week open gap range. Keep in mind, you look at your charts, you're coming off of running a beautiful trade on the daily SIBI. You have no 4 1-hour SIBI entries after that, but you do, when you get down to the 15-minute, you got pretty good delivery. You see all that?
I do. Intrusive thoughts here.
I don't know what that means.
Just shorting.
Oh, you shorted right here?
No. I'm saying I'm fighting these intrusive thoughts of shorting.
Oh, right.
Like getting in right now.
I see it. There's another little SIBI it could go to, like coming up.
A little bit above, yeah.
But then I look at it, and I've got my Monday open range gap low sitting right there that we're bouncing off of, and it's like, fuck.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
There's the entry to that top SIBI. I mean, I'm not trading it. I'm just commenting as if I did.
Yeah.
But of course, this is probably going to be the low.
Well, it could be, and I would say, well, it did this. You know, it's not like I have no fucking clue why it would turn here. You know, It'd be like, yeah, it makes sense. If I were to short from here, I think I would look at that daily wick from Friday and measure the 50% of that and say, hey, we could hit that. That would be my guesstimation. Of course, here down to the 50% would still be a really good move. I mean,
that's
shit.
See now the idea. I mean, I don't know why I would be trading long here, but that looks appetizing. Had it hit something specific to the upside.
Yeah, I mean, here we are fighting between two things. Again, the message here is unclear. As you and I see what it's doing,
yeah,
right?
Yeah.
We see things, and we can argue for both sides.
Yep.
I can tell you right now, if that turned around like that, you see we filled the Monday open range gap low, right?
Yes.
Right. Now, see, look at that entry right there. Now, if that thing loses, is it a coincidence? Like, it looks so good right now, But is it because maybe a lot of ICT people out there, maybe 100,000, actually just bought the market?
No. It does. Buying, I don't care that there's a million people all injecting money at a specific spot. It might help it out for a couple points.
Well, that's my point.
Yeah, but
that's what I'm trying to say. Let's say it did help it to do this, and then it goes bam.
No.
And it ruins all their hopes and dreams.
No. It might, again.
You know what sounds good? Soup.
Fucking a
we should make soup for the day.
Dude, a greasy fucking ham, cheese, hash brown breakfast burrito sounds delicious to me.
Okay. I don't mean, I'm sorry, let me clarify. Not right this second. Just that I could get it cooking and be ready for dinner tonight.
Okay, there you go. That's god dang, dude. That is, and I know. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Lots of POIs, lots of ups and downs, reasons for ups and downs. I get it, but that did look appetizing for an entry. You'd already be up 40 points. At the height of it, 50 points.
Like I said, Monday open range gap low. You have the line, right? 441 to 50.
50, yeah. That's where this is where it gets scary. You're up. If you were in this green, you see this big red candle. What do you do? Just
body's respecting the cities.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have. I'm not going to play off the open range gap low right now, considering what's below it.
Yeah.
That's a problem, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I see, like, once it bounces, I see all sorts of shit for Tuesday's open range gap to get back into.
Oh, I mean,
we got quite a bit of inefficiencies sitting all through that open range gap. So there's a magnet to the upside. The problem right now is, like, how's it going to do it?
Yeah.
And when? We don't really have a clear picture. Which makes me want to get back over to this and see what the fuck I need. So I'm gonna try to get myself into some more ETFs.
More ETFs.
I'm not real excited with oil. I'm in oil and so my gold is fine, my bonds are fine, but ES and oil have been killing me. They're major downside players right now. So, not a big fan at the moment. So what I want to do is I want to get into some different ETFs and start. Holy shit, what the fuck is that? Maybe not that. Like we got Vanguard, emerging market stuff. We've got small cap, mid cap ETFs, and all sorts of little shit.
Yeah. Oh yeah. There's so many products.
Yeah, XLF with the financial sector. Sure, the options.
I didn't even see that. I gave you another opportunity to jump in.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Oh, I see.
You'll already be up 40 points again.
Yeah, that's kind of looking like a bottom. I don't know. I mean, when you look at it as a 1 hour volume imbalance, I mean, it's all a big volume imbalance, right?
Mm-hmm.
Shit. Okay. Oh, market structure shift. How do we do this? Is there a shift? And how do we locate it? I feel like the candle at 7:43. I need to go back and watch that video. Could have been with that could be the much rather have that as like a daily low or some shit. How the fuck do you play long here?
42 points stop loss for that BISI that's about to form. Jesus, dude.
But you don't know who that is.
Blink 182.
Oh, damn, nice. Okay. Forget how white you are.
Wow. Dude, I don't know if I'm more offended in that or I'm not too Mexican for you.
I hate looking at it, chart, but it's just trending up, and it seems so fucking high. And doing any kind of plays that I'm gonna ask ChatGPT though.
Shit, that's 100 point. That's about to be 100-point move. That's crazy. I didn't use that gap that I call it Friday to Monday. I'll just call it Friday to Monday gap, open range gap. I didn't use that as a idea. Maybe a mistake on my part.
What are you talking about?
I just didn't.
Dude, I was saying it over and over again.
I know, but I don't think that I don't. Not that I don't think I wasn't using that as a POI at all. I just didn't. Okay. In my little tiny little squirrel brain, it just didn't compute that that's a POI of interest. The gaps just don't make sense to me. What do I need to see?
I don't know. Gaps like to be filled. So
that's what she said.
What happened to the Monday open range gap? It got filled. Okay. So I'm not saying, I mean, I would have played it if I was that confident in it. The problem for me was I could see it happening, but I also know we have this new week open gap low. We're bouncing off the daily SIBI. Like, I have this curiosity. Are we fucking, about to hit the first presented for bag gap? I'd be real curious. I might mark this to see how this is used right now. I'm going to mark this across so I can just observe what happens here. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because we left all that unopened. Open. Yeah, we left all that open.
Oh, jeez.
So I'm real curious to see. I mean, we've seen this. It goes right up to it, bam, and then wham. So.
Whew, that's crazy, bro. What was that stop loss? That stop loss was 43 points. Jesus, you're already up 120 points.
Well, use all this experience and everything you're going through as education. What would you do next time? If we're noticing that, look at that bounce off the CE of the first presented for bag gap. Fuck me, crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Hit that dotted line perfectly. That's an initial reaction, right? That's not like, oh, sure.
Yeah.
But it could be.
And then it could just be the initial reaction back down, filling in those 1 minute BISIs just to go up higher. Or
Absolutely. This
is the true turnaround to go lower to close a new week open gap.
Exactly. There's too much here, right? You see my reason not wanting to trade.
I see. Tyler's trying to go off of. He's trying to go long here.
So he's going to remain to the upside.
Yeah.
Based on, I mean, all I can see is that Monday open range gap low. And then what we would call market structure shift.
Yeah. Interesting. That's crazy. And so what is 50% from the low to the high? 504. 530.
Yeah, like boom. All right. So will the first presented fair value gap become a inverted fair value gap? And would you play it?
No, I mean, I wouldn't.
Michael would.
Michael would.
I mean, he's done that.
Yeah.
You see the premise already. You see the huge open range gap still above us. We haven't even gotten into that shit yet. If that's the low of the day, okay, why not? First presented fair value gap always has some weight to it. And if we bust through that, it's possible we come right back down and re-enter into it and then go higher, as this will trend to continue up to reach into our Tuesday open range gap, taking like little liquidities on the way up.
Yeah.
No, don't like any of that.
No, don't. I don't.
So you're out, because what else would you go off of here?
Yeah, no, I wouldn't. I wouldn't trade anything else. Nothing else seems appetizing.
There you go. XLF. Interesting. Let's see what that looks like then. Yo, buddy. What's up? Oh. We're trying to find a trade, but don't know if we can today, man. Are you? You get to ride a little harder when you get out there, huh? Than you do here. That's a 15-minute Sibi entry, by the way, so be cautious of that. Those videos look good, man. The way you cornered, your chest was up, elbows were out, you kept your body up. Cool. That rattlesnake's scary as fuck. That rattlesnake was scary. It's like, oh, Jesus. Well, you could tell he was scared to death. You could tell he was scared to death. Yeah. Dang. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. Was he? I'm glad. Good for him for doing that. It's cool. Yeah. Yeah, that sucks. Yeah. Well, see how we're stuck in that first presented fair value gap at the moment? Let's see if we can break through this.
It's kind of hilarious.
All right, buddy. After this, I'll be going to work. I'll come back. Did you put everything up last night, like the chair and the cooler? Thanks, buddy. Good job. Yeah. Yeah, just get everything done, especially if you got laundry and stuff to do. Try to get your room clean. Look at that, breaking through it. Yeah, and then you got welding tonight. Yeah, okay. Yeah, look at that, man. We just bust right through that, baby, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm interested in that. I know you're not, but I could put a stop loss right here, 60. God damn, it's huge. These moves are big, so I'm gonna have to go the half position account for sure. So I'm not gonna put all of that at risk. This candle closed above it, man, and so I'd be looking to enter this mother trucker. So I am going to put a buy limit right there with a sell limit right there. No stop. Is that right? Yeah.
Where's your entry?
Oh, you don't want to play this? I'm not going to tell you.
Oh man, no, that's not. I don't. Yeah, I'm trying to see where your trade is. What your trade idea is.
Well, it's a re-entry into so it's the inverted fair value gap, the first presented fair value gap right now.
And so you're in.
Yeah.
So you're in.
Right now, yeah, I am. I'm long. That would be correct. And so, what would be target? So this gets tough, right? Obviously, I see great potential for a long way. Mm-hmm. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So how do what do you do? Tuesday open range gap for Century obviously is going to be at the highs of the morning session. But we've got liquidity starting in the 660 range. And then it just continues on all the way through London high. But then when we get to the 50% of the open range gap, dude, that's at 777 and a quarter. So that's a massive move upward, right?
Yeah.
And that would be insane. So this is a tough one. Obviously, we feel good with a 40-point winner, right? Don't we? Typically? Well, that would just be taking it to the morning highs and then I'm out.
Yeah. Yeah.
But what if it went up to fucking 50% of that Tuesday open range gap? Holy hell nuts.
That's why you take partials.
Oh, I gotta get. I don't know how to do that. I just don't. Because if you think about it, like if I go and sell out right now, I've already fucked up. Because if the demo account is one contract, the others are like micros. It just doesn't make sense. The way to do it is I would literally have to. Everybody would have to scale in together and scale out together.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I wouldn't be able to just get in and then scale out. Fuck, I hate that. Because you're right. You want to leave some on the table for this. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We could get a re-entry into that because do you realize we bissied right over right over the fucking first presented for a guy.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh, crazy. I hope it doesn't rip my face off. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do, man. It would be a respectable winner just to take it into the gap from here. But dude, I could be within an hour or two crying and bitching at you, going, "Oh my god, dude, I could have held it for the biggest trade of my life." All right, is that another re-entry?
Oh,
boom, right there.
Yeah. Cruise.
Oh yeah, getting in there. Illusion went quiet. Hello?
No, I put you on. I put you on mute because I need to send a text.
Makes sense. It's just like, oh shit. I can hear him breathing.
There's an entry to that Bissy. That would have been your.
Yeah, there was. Look at that. Yep. Hope this doesn't go to screw me.
God, I have so many.
I don't like that big fucking wick right there.
Markings.
Ooh, that's all wick, baby. That's scary.
It is Halloween.
Yikes. Huh?
It is Halloween.
What? I got you.
Oh, that's scary.
I'm gonna go get pants on.
You've been talking to me this whole time without pants?
Without pants? No, I've got my 9-9 shorts on. To walk away. I'm in, so now I can do some errands, some chores, get dressed. Oh. How's your buddies doing? TTs.
They're doing good. They're both online. Tyler has been trying to go long this whole morning. He's in long on one contract, and he has a bunch of buy orders on the way down.
Oh, different approach.
Yeah, he has a bunch of buy orders down below.
Seems like a different approach than he normally does, doesn't it?
Yeah, and he's looking for a huge trade to the upside. Huge trade, dude.
Huge. I like some stuff.
Tanja, she is just watching.
I'll be a little patient here. Oh man, it's got chili, you know.
There you go, man.
Willie,
looking good now.
Yeah, but I took small position. I took half.
Cool.
Just because of their, it's a lot of moves going on.
Oh, look at that.
That feels good. Yeah, feels good on the whole.
Feels good.
Yeah. So what are we gonna do as soon as we cross the 638 3/4? What do you think?
I don't know, man. Like I don't want to give you my input because you understand your trade and you understand your position sizing, man. I don't want to put in my input here. Tanja.
Fuck you then.
Fuck you then. I don't want to
what about that 4-hour Cibi entry? That sits at 750. You know, getting close to that 50% open range gap. I mean, I'm sitting right now with an order at 776 and a quarter, but you know, that could be very, you know what I mean. I have options here. If this starts to like blow through this thing, I could just move my stop and hope. You know, obviously, I get into a bad position with the draw. You know, the live draw down.
Yeah.
You know.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that thing's a bitch.
Right. Yeah, kind of tough, man. I'd love to just look at taking profits right up in here.
Profits here?
You know? Well, you know, when we take out the open. I mean, we could also look at the 630 highs. There's like a group of highs sitting around the 5 or 656 range. See that?
Yep.
You know, you could just hit those and then pop back in. I'm struggling, man. I don't know. And that would be a decent winner. Truly. Well, there's another Bissy entry. Interesting. I basically repriced right immediately into all that. So he's going to be going for. When you say big win, what's his number?
Sure, let's see. 748.
London high.
And then hold on, he had a bigger one, but I can't see it because it's not in frame. But 748.
Well, that's London high.
Sweet. All right.
So,
what do I have marked off over there? Oh, it's the entry to the 4-hour Cibi too. Huh.
What about 698?
Oh.
698 is the first quadrant of that open range gap, and it is below London low, and some of the liquidity is in the London sessions.
Yeah.
It's also a great win. I mean, it's a 100-point winner for me. You know what I mean?
Yeah. You're in a good position right here, man. Good position here. That's awesome. That is. You should be feeling decent here.
I like moving my stop up to the low of the gap, putting me at a smaller loss.
The low of the gap? What do you mean?
The first presented fair value gap low, which is the entry into it, the re-entry as an inverted fair value gap. Oh, if the trading gods are on my side today, it'll explode up from here.
Yeah.
Are you in?
No. This looks like it's teeing up, man, for just that.
You're my hype man, buddy.
Wingman. Code names. We need to use code names.
All right. It's the part where I'm like, I need to go to work. Emotionally, I just want to get away from it.
Yeah. And so what, give me a price. Where's your stop loss currently?
Well, it's at the low of the entry there. I don't know. I'm walking around. 579.
Okay. I was correct in that idea.
It's not too far away from my entry. If we shot back down in there, I'd have to reevaluate, maybe re-enter, but it'd be a small loss, especially compared to the fucking moves going down right now.
Yeah, it's teeing up, dude. It's teeing up for the upside. Big up move coming. Watch, it's just going to shoot up quick.
Pray for the boner.
Boner candle.
It's stuck right there at that open, huh? Oh, don't reverse the open, please.
Oh, man.
Jesus, man.
I mean, you're up.
Struggling right here, isn't it?
Yeah, but you're up nicely. What, 40-something points? Something like that.
Oh, but you know how fast that could go away?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no safety right here. There's no safety right here.
I like it. New high.
That's the open. That's the open. It just took it that open out. Oh, now I'm nervous.
Oh, there you go.
Know what I mean?
Boom! Told you. Told
There
you.
it
Told
is.
you. Told
There
you.
it
Told
is.
you. Told you. Told you it was going to take it like that. Cool.
You're not wrong. Oh, I got out. I couldn't do it.
All together?
All together.
Oh,
I don't
shit,
have
okay.
I don't have that ability. So I'm all in, all out. Fucking hell.
Okay.
Well, I couldn't hold it. It was like $700 win on my cash account. Like, bro.
Yeah. Congratulations, man. Heck yeah, nice. Nice.
I probably made a small profit compared to what's going to end up happening, but
Well, it is what it is, dude. You made profit.
yeah, you just want the meat on the bone. Oh, I don't even want to watch it now. Shut up.
Dang.
Yeah.
Nice little high there.
Okay.
It took.
Did you learn anything right there? How that first presented fair value gap? How fucking amazing is that?
I'm not impressed at all. It has not
Fuck
impressed
your
at all.
mother. Really?
Yeah, no, that's nothing to me. The trade should have been down below.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Sure. That would have been killer.
Yeah.
So there's another lesson. So open range gap fill,
Yeah.
and you got the expansion out of there. But dude, look what I was able to do off that first presented fair value gap.
No, absolutely. No, it was good, man. You don't want to hear what I really have in my mind, and so that was a good trade, though. That was a good trade. That was a really, really, really good trade. You took out all that liquidity, by the way, all those little highs.
Yeah, that's from my first idea. And so when we got there, I was like, okay, I'm good. But I actually had targeted 698. That's the first quadrant. But shit, this motherfucker's probably making. Oh gosh, I don't know.
No, that was fucking fabulous, dude. What is that? That would have been a 200-point winner. Wow, that's crazy.
Only made about $3,000 today, but I pulled $3,000, so I'm happy. Hey man, I got a couple. I'm up $2,000 in one of the $50,000 accounts and $1,200 in the other.
Oh, funded accounts.
Yeah, true funded. So
wow.
I'm getting close to payout mark.
Dude, you're absolutely just killing me, dude. That's awesome.
Yeah, I made about $5,000 last week. Yeah. And this was a $3,000 day today. So
damn, that's awesome, man. Good.
Hey, there's another busy entry right there that's sitting. Displaced through the morning high. Oh. Yeah. Okay, now I just need to be happy with my nugget.
Absolutely.
I get my little nugget.
Absolutely.
By the way, just for shits and grins, ES is already well into its open range gap.
I saw that.
Yeah, Yeah, okay.
I saw that because Tanja.
Oh God, look at that boner candle. It's gonna make $6.98, dude. That would have been. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Now it's starting to get released. It's okay. It's okay.
I told you it was teeing up.
I know it's
It's teeing
but
up for
damn, it's hard.
Oh yeah, believe me.
It's hard when you see a big candle really move quickly. It's like, oh, it's gonna react and come back. Oh God, look at that! How fast was that?
I told you. I know. If there's anybody on this planet that knows how hard it is, right here, man. I got more. We're in different levels. I get it, but there's more conviction for me that my strategy works. I didn't trade it today, but that's okay.
Dude, I can't believe this is the first time I've done this, playing the inverted fair value gap based off the Monday open range gap fill premise, and look how beautifully it delivered.
Yeah, absolutely.
God, dude.
Pretty awesome, dude.
Oh, that would have been that. So instead of $600 win, that would have been $1,000 win right there. Oh, damn. Okay, funny. Well, hey, be grateful. Grateful is what you're shooting for. Yeah. So I'm grateful.
Yeah.
I do know I started out with 5,000. I'm up 35.87.
You're up.
So I turned 5 into 8,587.
Yeah, man, that's huge. Over 50%. You're knocking on 75%.
Yeah. Man, oh lantern. Well, so put in your books and we already know it because last week we saw it. We had one of those confusing days, I think, last week, and then it actually went down and filled the gap. I think Tyler traded that short to filling the gap, remember? Yeah. And it bounced off filling that gap. Yeah. I think it was the lunch trade, maybe. I don't know. But anyway, you're going to have to put that in your repertoire.
463, 563.
You agree?
That's 200 points. Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Dude, if you start building this repertoire up, you realize you're going to have so much more trading opportunities. Not saying when, but opportunities for a win. Hence today. And other times too. Opening up the lunch trade with all of this idea as well. So, pretty amazing, dude. Fucking hell, it's going to make 50% or better. Dude, if it, okay. It's been a 180-point winner. It's whatever. God damn it. Oh my God. Looking back now, that inverted fair value gap first presented. Inverted first presented fair value gap. IFPFBG. Dude, Tyler's going to make his London high.
Let's see. How's he doing? He only has one contract, you think?
Like, you're talking about a full mini?
Full mini, yeah. He only has one. I think. I don't know. Let me check.
Good for him, dude. That was a half
what is
mini.
He doing? Oh, there he is. He has one. Oh, no. He only has one micro. Yeah, he only has one micro, and that's because he was trying to scale in.
I get it. But that's not a bad idea. I mean, they could have easily gone down to 486.
Yeah. He's only up $200. His entry was 612 even. 24,612.
My entry was 587.
587. Nice.
Well, homie, for me, that's all she wrote. not going to rejoin. Although
it's 200. Jesus, that's 250 points from that entry. God damn. A lot of points offered today. Lots of points.
You're feeling bad about not taking that first Bissy?
Yeah, I battle something that I don't know how to fix.
Bissy across from the city too, bro.
I think. Here's the truth of it. Your trading ideas are starting to affect my ability to take my trades.
Okay.
That's the reality, and I don't know how to fix that. I think I need
because we saw short too.
Because you saw short, yes.
You said it too. You said, "Man, I'm wanting to go short here."
Yeah, and I told you right then and there in that same sentence. I said, "Well, this is going to be the low of the day."
Yeah, you said it. Yeah. This could be.
Yeah, and
so we both had fight either direction.
Yeah, no, and here's again my strategy presented itself after. It's not in hindsight. It's as it was being formed.
I'm going to correct you. It didn't. Based on your POIs,
exactly.
You didn't have a trade here.
Exactly. I agree there, 100%. And so it's not until after the fact that I'm like, oh wow, that gap, open range gap, is something that I need to watch. And then the strategy presented itself right there without even me actually realizing it. And so that's
what I was saying. If you would add that to your repertoire, boom, you have your trade.
I think so. Here's something interesting that I'm starting to develop. We're moving away from having the same ideas, and that's absolutely fine. And so it gives me actually freedom to say the following. All I have to do is point out all of these points of interest and quite literally just wait for the inverted fair value gap, or take the liquidity or enter the POIs with conviction, if you will, creating the inverted fair value gap, creating the entry, and then there you go. That's almost becoming a hard rule. It's not a hard rule right now. I almost want to make it a hard rule. Don't trade unless that presents itself.
Okay. Yeah, man. Shit. I get it.
Yeah.
Took some small liquidity in the London session right there. It's pulling back. There is a Bissy entry coming up. Just saying. And that's a 5-minute entry. The first one, by the way.
First one, I see it.
Yeah. First time we're getting to a 5-minute. You begin to see, and I've been noticing this, it's kind of funny. I don't know. It begins to slow down as it has a move like this already.
Yeah.
It's a huge move.
It's a huge move.
Yeah. It begins to slow. Of course, that entering perfectly.
So
yeah, this could go to 77, 777 and a quarter.
777 and a quarter. Gotcha. You know what's hilarious to me? It's hilarious that take a look at the 5-minute, and it has the upside down Empire State Building formation.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
I didn't know it at the time, but that is what the formation is in the lower time frame.
Right.
I guess in the lower time frame, it's the head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. Okay, I'm gonna stop stream. Good session, man. Good session, man. Adam with how big of a winner was it, point wise?
I'm about 6 inches. Let's see, 90 to what was it? It was like 60. It was like 70 point.
big win there. Big win.
Big wiener, huh?
Yep. Alrighty, we're gonna try again tomorrow. Do we have any news tomorrow?